be 6.5.
And what size of her? Because your eye is so good, right? What size?
I'm a 6. You're a 6.
See?
Okay, what size? You're not finished yet.
Top 7.
Oh, she heard you. What size?
See?
What size?
Her, at least a 9.
That's right. At least tonight she's right.
No, at least a 9.
That's right.
Bigger than a 9. Bigger than a 9. Okay, here's another one. What size?
I don't know.
You know,
Those are.
she's guessing and guessing and guessing. What size are these?
That looks like a
These are 12.
10.
No, I didn't know.
See, I
So I'm saying,
cannot
say-
so if I want to measure the floor, it's perfect. If
say.
I want to measure feet, it's perfect.
I'm
What it
asking
is.
the lady with the small eyes.
I don't know,
Aren't you?
man. I don't know.
Mine is 12, believe me.
No way. Let me see. Stand sideways.
Those are 12.
That cannot.
Those are
possibly
definitely
be.
12.
Big or too small?
Those are 12.
No, definitely it's
That
12.
looks like a size
That's a 12.
maximum 10.